Hey boys, are you ready for presents?
Yeah. Dad, hurry up. It won't be long and I'll have to go.
Where do you have to go on Christmas morning?
Okay, here's the presents from Santa.
It's a puppy. 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 Santa got me a puppy.
Is he for both of us?
Nope, that's all Jesse.
Santa got me a puppy.
If he got a puppy, I can't wait to see what I got
I think he's sleeping, Dad.
in this tiny package.
Now open yours, Mike.
What is this?
That's a leash. Whenever the puppy needs to go, you have to walk him.
No. 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 I'm not. I'm done. I'm not doing this. No. I'm not touching that.
Dad, he's scaring my puppy. He's scaring my puppy.
Mike, that's enough. Go walk the dog. He probably has to go.
Dad, the dog is peeing in my face, Dad. Dad, the dog is peeing in my face. Okay.
That's not the dog. Told you I had to go, Dad.
That's my boy.